Guten Morgen. That's German for good morning. I'm Jane Mutter, and I'm here today to teach you how to make potato salad. Now, this particular recipe was my mother's, and it was handed down from her mother to her. It's something that I make a lot, especially when we have family gatherings. My whole family loves it, and I have a big family. Um, I'm going to go through the ingredients. I'm going to do a step-by-step on how to put those ingredients together. And then I am going to show you a wonderful potato salad that you'll be proud to serve anywhere. Okay, so let's go through the ingredients first. The first thing you need is 5 pounds of potatoes. Now, whether it's red potato, white potato, it really doesn't matter. I prefer white. That's what I do, but some of my other family members like red. You need to peel them, dice them, and cook them in water that's got salt in it. And I found that after I've diced them, if you bring it to a boil, it takes approximately 5 minutes and the potatoes are done. Anyway, I have done all of that. Has some beautiful potatoes there, ready to go. And then we need a quart of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of mustard, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled. Make sure you get all the shells because there's nothing worse than leaving a little bit of a shell in there. A teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Now, the salt and pepper, that's my measurements, but everyone has a different palate for salt and pepper. I would say go low, and you can always add if you want to add, but don't overdo it because you can't take salt out or pepper out. Okay, then we have a cup of chopped celery and a half a cup of chopped onions. So since I've already got the potatoes done, we're going to go right in to mixing the dressing. So I'm going to take the quart of mayonnaise and I'm going to put it in our mixing bowl. Oh, made a little bit of a mess there. Try to get it all out here. I really like these spatulas, the ones that are double-sided like this. They really get down and you can get all the mayonnaise out of the jar, which is nice. Okay, so we got the mayonnaise. We're going to add the 3 tablespoons of mustard in there. And then we're going to add the 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And the half cup of sugar. The teaspoon of salt. 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to mix this. And I'm going to mix it and keep scraping the sides until I think it's well incorporated. That way, you won't have to worry about any of the flavors being lost in one spot. So we're going to really mix this up good. You can see the little specks of seasoning in there. Okay, so our sauce is mixed. So now for me, I put the celery and the onion in my sauce, and I fold it into my sauce. To me, I like doing this because I feel like it gets mixed into the potato salad better. It doesn't seem to be clumped up in one spot. So give that a good mix in there. I think we're good to go. Always taste my sauce. Good, very good. So I'm gonna put that aside, and then I am going to get my potatoes that you saw, and I'm gonna take the boiled eggs, and I'm gonna start chopping them on top of my potatoes. They don't have to be small, but just chop. One, two, three, four, five. This is so much fun. I enjoy cooking. I've been a cook for all my life. And six. Okay, so now we have our potatoes with our eggs on top, and we're going to add our dressing. So I'm going to put about 3/4 of the dressing on it and fold it in, and then see how wet that is and go from there. So I'm going to go. So you want to fold your potatoes. You don't want to mix. You want to fold them, because if you mix really hard, you're going to mash your potatoes, and it's going to be more like mashed potato salad instead of potato salad. Okay, so let's, oh yeah, this is looking good. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be enough dressing in it. Looks really good. Really good. Okay, so I folded my potatoes into the dressing, put the dressing aside, and I'm going to get a bowl that I'm going to be serving this in, and put it in this bowl. Oh yeah. Oh yes. And voila, we have wonderful potato salad. Now, potato salad originated in Germany, and I am going to leave you with Saarlicker. And Saarlicker means incredibly tasty. Have a good night.